All right. So one of the reasons why you have been making posts on TikTok and you have not been going viral could be because you have been posting your TikTok posts the wrong way. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to post the right way on TikTok. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Digital Peru, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. So for you to post on TikTok the right way, you need to go to your TikTok, obviously. So let me go to my TikTok right here. So right here, I'm on my TikTok. So I'm on my TikTok already. Can you see that? So for you to post on TikTok the right way, you need to go to this plus button right here. So once you click on the plus button, then you can see all the features we have here. So I'll be showing you the function of each of the features. So this one here says text. So if you want to post a text on TikTok, you go to the first one and click. Then currently we are on photo. So you can just snap a picture. Can you see? You can snap a picture right here, or you can reverse it to a selfie by clicking on this. So that way you get to post a selfie of yourself. And if you want to make a video, you get to place your finger on the white button. Just place your finger on it and you get to make a video. So and right here you can make a 15 seconds video by tapping on this. You can make a 60 seconds video and you can make as much as a 10-minute video. Are you seeing that? And all these right here are some templates you can use, some effects you can use if you want something different. Are you seeing all of them? So these are all effects. So that's basically these aspects. So once you're done with all this, I don't need to talk about this because I'll be talking about them subsequently. For you to post on TikTok, you need to go to a gallery to select what you want to post. So I'll be clicking on this gallery down here. So can you see right here, you can post anything right here. So let's assume I want to post this shoe picture. You can also select a video if you want to post a video. So once I choose this shoe picture, then I click on next. Hope you are following, guys. Over here, we have several features and some of them applies with the first one we saw earlier. So over here, you can see right here, we have better this. So this is like a music. I already lowered my volume, so that's why it's not playing out loud. So you can change the music, ensure you are using a trending music. Ensure that the music you are using is trending. That is one way to go viral on TikTok, to make a post and get a lot of attention. So now let me explain each of these features. So this first one here is if you want to turn the image to a video, or probably it is a video already and you want to edit the video, then you get to click on the first one. The second one is if you want to change the background of what you created. So you get to click on the second one right here. So now this third one you are seeing right here is for you to choose a template. Probably you want a different template from what you are seeing right here. Then you choose the third one. And now we have the fourth one, which is like capital letter A and small letter A. So this has to do with if you want to add a text to what you are creating. So once you click on that, you get to see they ask you to like put in a text that you want to post. So just put a text, good shoe. Can you see that? And you can even change the text color by coming up here and choose a color that you wish to use. So once you click on the color, then all this will pop up for you. Are you seeing? So you get to choose a different color. Are you seeing how the color is changing? So you can also play with all this. This one is if you want to change the font of the text you wrote. Are you seeing that? This one is if you want a different template for your text. Hope you are seeing all that. And right here is if you want to align your text. Can you see? And this last one is if you want to add a style to your text. Do you understand? So that's what that one is all about. So once you're done playing with other parts, it means you are done with our text. Let's just leave this like this. So then you proceed to the next one. This one is if you want to add a GIF to what you're creating, like GIF, is how they pronounce it. So once you click on that, you get to see several of them right here. So you get to choose any one that is suitable for you. So this one right here is if you want to add an effect to what you're creating. This one looks like a plus plus. And the last one is if you want to add a template. So after that, we have something like a drop down arrow. I don't know if you are seeing it. It's not showing clearly right here. So once I click on the drop down arrow, then you can see that more stores will load up for us. Can you see? They all come with their name. Can you see? You can crop the image. You can add extra photo. You can add your voice to it. You can even save it. So that's basically everything about this part. So once you're done adding everything, then you want to go ahead and click on the next button. So now right here, you have the title. Just ensure that you add a title that is short and a title that will help you rank with algorithm. Do you understand? So then right here, we have description. You can create a description right here. And if you don't know what to write, you can also make use of this AI feature. It will help you generate description ideas. It's a new feature on TikTok and it's really, really working very well. So you can also add hashtag. You can use this to mention someone. You can see this ads feature right here. You can use it to mention someone. Then moving on, you can add a link down here. Are you seeing? A lot of great stuff you can do on TikTok. And over here, you can see if you want everyone to see your post, you can leave it this way. And if you want it to be private, you click on that and set it as friends only. So only your friends get to see it. And if you want only yourself should see it, you set it as only you. Then moving on, you can click on more options to see more options right here. So ensure that this is turned on. This allow comments. It is very important so that people can get to comment on your post. You see, if you're able to get a lot of comments, or the more comments you get, the more viral your post is likely to get. You need to ensure that this comment section is turned on for you. So once you're done with all this, then you go ahead and click on post, and this will just post on our TikTok page. So let's wait for this to post so you get to see what I'm saying. So it is done posting. So let me go to my profile. So can you see what we posted? It is right here on my page. Hope you can see that. So once you're done posting this, just ensure that you don't leave TikTok immediately. Go ahead and engage other people's posts because TikTok is all about engagement. If you engage people's posts, then your post will also be engaged. Do you understand? That's how the algorithm works. So go ahead and engage other people's posts, and trust me, you are one step to going viral on TikTok. So I believe you got value from this video. If you did, do it to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.